In this video, I'll be driving my $2,500 Escalade over 1,000 miles into another country. I've been working on this Escalade for months now, and after fixing all the engine problems, it's time to put it to the test. Make sure to watch all the way to the end because it's gonna get crazy. Y'all ready? Yeah, finally, about time.
You guys headed to Canada?
Oh.
You ready to go, boys? You feeling rejuvenated? You feeling good?
I think some distress like got to me.
Actually?
Yeah.
You stressed?
No, I'm not. There's a lot on the line, you know what I'm saying?
Like for the car?
I mean, no, not like that. It's just like,
What's on the line, bro? Well, we got nothing but time, you know?
I think I'm going the right way. This is for
Bro, what? Did you got out on maps?
I know.
Oh, it says northeast on the map here.
Now you're probably wondering, where are we going? If everything hopefully goes as planned, we will be driving the Escalade all the way into Montreal, Canada, making a couple pit stops along the way. This trip has been in the works for months. Every problem, every video, every dollar spent to get this car back on the road all brings us to this very moment. Why don't you do one quick favor? I'd really appreciate if you just hit that like button. Like, that's it.
Yeah. Bro, you're gonna be leaving the country.
Yeah. For the first time, right?
Isn't that exciting, dude?
A little stoked, yeah.
A little stoked?
Alright, let's get on this highway. We're gonna be on the highway for a minute today.
Get that cruise control off and MPG up.
Yeah.
I'm looking for double digits.
During this trip, we will be tracking the miles driven, time spent on the road, and most importantly, miles per gallon this 6.2 V8 does. Just in case somebody out there wants to take their Escalade on a road trip. That fog, holy. You know what that means? Fog lights time. Yeah, so we drove for like about 2 hours. We're about to take our first pit stop at Scranton PA. Where are we going?
Krispy Kreme.
Oh snap. Jesus. Okay, probably shouldn't. Oh boy. Your first time at what's it called? Krispy Kreme, buddy, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
No way. Dude, you're about to be enlightened.
Yeah. How's that donut? You messing with it? We just finished breakfast. I'm gonna let them finish up real quick. But I'm gonna run over to the Sunoco right there. Although Sunoco is pretty expensive, they are the only ones with 91 octane, so don't really have a choice. Before the video started, I already filled it up about $40. Throughout this video, we're gonna keep adding up the price, so we're gonna know exactly how much we spent. Going up pretty fast. Y'all full?
I got that grief, yo.
Hey, yo. Yeah, we filling up right now, but we already at 62, bro.
It's still filling up?
Yeah, it's still filling up.
Oh my god.
40. Oh, snap.
Hey, yo.
That's it.
Let's
69.
go.
Why'd you do that? Yeah.
69. Get off the car, Jacob.
Say goodbye to Scranton before we head out.
We're out. I guess best part of the trip is done.
All right, let's get out of here. Next stop, Albany, New York.
Yeah.
We got it. 2 hours and 44 minutes. Press it and you bring it down. Yeah. Oh, let me start running it from here. Play.
Yeah, it's tough. You got a movie for the kiddos.
Yeah.
Oh my god, Spider-Man!
Yeah, so you can hop in the back.
Yo.
Yeah.
Let's go. What's up, boys? Yo, how we doing back here?
All right, let's play this movie for him.
Why didn't we think about this sooner? I know, we got cozy.
What the? Yo, right in the middle of the snow. I've never seen anybody do that.
Oh! I'm in Bubba. Oh, yeah! Now that's fun.
Alright, before we head out again, let's check our levels again, make sure our coolant is good. Yeah, everything is like perfectly fine. I don't know, I just keep taking just in case. Let's start moving.
The next stop.
Albany, New York.
Yeah.
It's not quite Canada yet.
Yeah.
No. We still got a little while. At least like 4.5 hours of driving. That's fine.
Okay, let's get on this highway. We're locked. D1 driver in here.
Scratch.
Yeah, Scared. He's getting real close.
You one driver, for sure.
Yeah. Ooh, I told you.
Yeah, that was actually good as hell. I'm not gonna lie.
That was
That was tough.
We're gonna make one more pit stop in Vermont. After that, we head into Montreal. We're just about past halfway, so we got a little bit more. So far, the car is doing good. We don't know how long it will keep doing this well. My first time taking it anywhere over 2 hours, so we're getting to the point where after Albany, we're basically in the middle of nowhere. We cannot break down during this whole thing. All right, let's get out of here. We are 158 miles from our next stop. Our range is 189. Do you think we can make it?
I don't think so.
We'll see, we'll see. I gotta grab an SD card for the dash cam. Somebody taking the wheel. Bro, you got this?
Yeah.
You found the hole. Oh, okay.
All right.
Yeah. No, pull the handbrake. Stop.
Where?
There's a lever on. Hey, you missed a stop sign, buddy. Yeah.
What stop sign? All right, I'm done. All right, what do I pull in? All right.
Yo.
Yeah, definitely. Like, I feel like it needs a lot more pressure for like both the brake and the.
Yeah. It's definitely
gas.
Like
Like,
you got it though. You got it.
Oh, this is it.
Yeah.
Oh God, I don't know what to do. Where's the lever?
All right, he can handle the country roads like that. See?
Yeah, I know how to handle a big girl.
What?
Yes.
Oh snap!
Even a dog?
Yes, a dog, but is that the owner right there?
That's probably the owner. Should I help?
Let me hop out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold on. Hi. Oh. Okay, she went back. All right, cool. Wait, yo, don't me. I guess let's let it wait.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put the parking brake on. Is it?
No,
there
yeah.
it goes. Grab it. There we go.
Yeah, we're chilling.
It's the completed story. We got the good ending, bro.
Yeah, there you go. Look at the gas right now.
Is that like nothing?
Yeah, it's like nothing. But whenever you see gas station will go, it's just well, how convenient. It's empty, but sometimes it just doesn't like read it well. Just had another $20 of gas. Make it out of this area where we can finally get 91 octane.
Snowing.
We're gonna make a quick stop at Trader Joe's because I guess this guy works there or something like that. You know, like I don't know.
All of us work there.
Yeah, we're gonna make a pit stop there. Then we're gonna be like between 30 to 40 minutes from the border, which is about an hour and like 40 from Montreal. So we're like right there. No codes. While the boys are in there doing their shopping, let's take a quick look at our oil. We're right about there, but I don't want any issues getting over the border. Yeah, so the coolant is good. Take a look at our oil. Now for our oil here, we may have lost a little bit. So a little different. I haven't seen this before, but the top notch is not even full anymore. That's a little interesting. All right, just topped it off. I'll clean this camera once in a while just because it gets so dirty. Yeah, I don't know. Anybody think? Damn, I think I cooked. Oh my God.
Yo, what the?
Yo! Oh, snap. Alright, let's get out of here. Alright, so start heading out. We got about an hour, 50 minutes. We gotta hit one more gas station and stop before we get into Canada. Because we don't know what the prices are up there. Where are you taking us, Waze? No way! How does it know? No, it's a pothole.
I think it is a dead end.
Where?
Yeah, is this like, solstice?
I think you're driving off the curb.
No, this is just snow.
Okay.
See, Escalade off-roading time. That's what this is. We're not even gonna feel it. It's like butter. Yeah.
You shut me up. All right.
Yeah. 39 miles to Canada.
Oh, Canada. Oh, Canada.
So it's gonna be $4.09 per gallon because they don't have 91. Oh my god, this is gonna be so expensive. And we need a full tank because we're going into Canada. This is already breaking every record I've had with this car so far. I think it's gonna stop any time now, but
Dude, yo, that was crazy.
if we had a full tank, that would easily be over $100.
Yeah.
This is just what comes with having an Escalade, I guess. All right, we're back at a full tank. Let's get out of here. We're about an hour and 6 minutes from Montreal, and we still gotta hit customs. So next stop is customs. How you doing? 4 people.
Roll down the back with it.
Yeah. Oh, appreciate it. Cool. Thank you.
Thanks.
The first time out of America. How you feeling?
Feeling good, man.
Out of the U.S. for the first time.
US, bro.
That's crazy. What does that say? I can't read these signs. Canada's kilometers per hour. Like, the way this Escalade is, press a button, bam, everything switches to kilometers per hour. Even our thermostat does that too. It's pretty cool. Like companies, they kind of cheap out and they just throw the numbers on top of the miles per hour. Them switching out like that, I think this is pretty neat. What is locked in? You driving, bro?
Yeah. Whoa, it's so different. The air smells like maple syrup.
Before we hit our Airbnb, go straight to this poutine thingy.
Orange julep.
Orange julep. Yeah.
I don't know the first one.
Julep! I think a little too excited there, buddy. Why is it built like that? I just had to do it, I'm sorry, not bad. You can't have me not slide out here, bro.
Bro, I saw my friend crash his car.
Bro, I'm not your friend, alright? I can't wait till we can eat. I'm so hungry. We need to eat lunch, right? We've been just snacking all day. We had donuts for breakfast and nothing else since then. It is currently 7:33 p.m. We've been driving since 7 a.m. 12 hours straight. See how the Escalade's doing? It is so dirty. Oh my god. You look at this back end. Oh my god. Oh, that's so bad. The Airbnb came with parking, so we got a spot for the Escalade for the next day or two. It's like so dirty, but for the amount of driving we did today, it's like, what do you expect? You know what I mean? Just so I don't bore y'all and keep more Escalade focused, let's just run a quick montage of everything we're about to do. I'm gonna catch up to y'all back when we get this thing out of here. What's bro doing? We have decided to go a little bit further north.